Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. Let's see how we can find the volume from given information. So let's go ahead and draw the picture of this one. So if I draw this one, this is going to be something like this. So we have this square root of x. The graph of square root of x is going to be like this, and they also give the given information is x is equal to 4. It means this is stopping at 4. So here it stops, and then let's draw a rectangle right here, and it's rotating in the y-axis. So this is rotating around the y-axis, and these are the information we have. And this is going to be our r. R is the distance from the y-axis and the rectangle. So this is r, and this is going to be our height h. And yeah, if you notice, this is equal to x, and also this height is equal to y. So we can go and say r is equal to x and h is equal to y. But when we rotate something in around the y-axis, we have to write everything in terms of x. Here, if you notice, h is in terms of y, so we have to convert this one into x. So if you notice in the function right here, the given function, y is equal to square root of x, so we can write h is equal to square root of x. But the equation to find the volume is v is equal to 2 phi integral a to b rx hx dx. R is the distance from y to this rectangle, h is the height, and if we integrate this one, that gives us the volume. So let's continue. So 2 phi, and if you notice, this graph is going from 0 to 4, so that's going to be our integral. So 0 to 4, and rx, we already found it, that's x, so we can plug x instead of this one. Height is root x, so we can put root x right here, dx. And if you notice that x square root x means x power half, and x is 1, so 1 plus half, 1.5, we can write this one as 3 by 2. So this is going to be integral of 0 to 4 x power 3 by 2 dx. Then if I can integrate this one right now. So if I integrate this one, I will get x 3 by 2 plus 1, so that we can say 2 plus 2 by 2, that's going to be 5 by 2. So 5 by 2, and then divide this one by 5 by 2, and this is going to be from 0 to 4. So let's flip this one around. So this is going to be 4 phi x power 5 over 2 over 5, 0 to 4. And if I apply 4, that will give us the value of this one, but if I apply 0, that's going to be 0. So we can apply the 4 first. So this is going to be 4 power 5 by 2 over 5 minus, if I apply 0 for this x, the whole thing will become 0, so we can just put 0. And also, if you notice this one, so let's continue this one right here. Also, if you notice this one, that 4 is power 5 by 2, so we can write that one as 4 power half power 5 is same thing, half power 5, 5 by 2, same thing. And power half means square root of 4, that is equal to 2, so we can replace this one with 2. So this is going to be 4 phi 2 power 5 divided by 5, and this is going to be 2 power 5 is 32, so 4 phi times 32 divided by 5, and 32 times 4 is going to be 128, phi divided by 5, and that is the answer for this question, and that is the volume. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.